Recently, I was able to onboard a new Celebrity Apex ship. We are staying at Windowless Cabin 167 in 12th floor. They provide us with the key in the little slot. We don't mind staying at the windowless cabin because we hardly stay in the cabin unless we sleep. There are many outlets and USB slots you could use. You could also bring European outlet converters such as this, so you can utilize more outlet plugs. The room comes with a mini fridge, but it's not free. They will charge you just like a hotel. The room has many storages you could utilize. Be sure to utilize space under the bed. Here's a bathroom. Bathroom is also very spacious and has a lot of storage. This room also has a second bed you can utilize under the couch. Onboard TV doesn't really have too much programming, but we didn't mind that too much because we didn't watch TV at all. We have this right here. What is this right here? Temperature control? Oh, look at that. Also, the lighting in the room is automated and controlled through here. You could also control the TV, room light, and temperature through your Celebrity app. Also, the work desk can be put away to make more space. The room service comes in multiple times a day. If you don't want it to get disturbed, just put this magnetized sign on the door.